Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm really very sorry for not uploading videos from the past week. Actually, I was not feeling well, so I was not sick. I was sick a bit, so I couldn't upload. Really very sorry for it. Today I am a bit well. Anyways, so let's start the video. Today's video is based on notification listeners, or you can also say notifications, media player notifications. You can use this as media player notifications also. Okay, so this project is mainly first made by Aditya Kapal. I have taken the project from him only, so the complete credits of this project and the codes goes to Mr. Aditya Kapal only. Okay, so thank you Mr. Aditya Kapal also. So first of all, let's start the video. So first of all, let's on the create three views. Okay, one main view I have created, another is two, then three and four. Okay, and a custom view I have created, C view. So let's create the main view first. I have created put a linear, okay, whose width and height are match parent, and I have added a text view whose width and height is wrap content, and the linear layout, gravity is linear, center horizontal and center vertical. Okay, and then here in the text view I have written a screen 1, text size is 25 sp, and background I have put of the text as white. Okay, and a button I have added. Okay, this button is mainly for uh, putting the notification. Okay, you can see button. Now second, let's go to tool XML. I have created here linear one whose width and height is match parent, same as previous one, and layout gravity is center horizontal, center vertical. Here I have written screen 2 similar way. Okay, and background color is self kept as white only. Now let's go to screen 3. Here also similar way we have added a linear match parent, and width and height is match parent, and gravity as center vertical and center horizontal. And here we have added a text view whose text I have put as screen 3, text size is 25 sp, and background color is white itself. And number 4, similarly number 4 we have put linear as width and height is match parent, and background color is white itself, and gravity is center horizontal, center vertical, and the text view whose text is screen 4, text size is this one, 25 sp, and background color is white. Now let's go to the custom view, C view. We have added 3 buttons. First of all, we have added a linear. Okay, we have added a linear first of all. Okay, so we have added a linear, and whose width and height are match parent and wrap content. You can keep as wrap content also. I have kept as 64, no issue about it. Here I have added one button. Okay, wrap content, and height as width and height as wrap content, text as 1, text size as 25 sp. Another button similarly 2, text size as ASP. You can also keep here images as shown in the media player notifications. Okay, text 25. Okay, now let's move on to main view again. Now 1 minute. Oh, no issue with it. Anyways, now here in more block we have to create a more block, create channel. That more block should be like this. No attributes are there. Here you have to put this code. This code I will be putting it in the description below. You can copy it from me. Okay? You have to put this code. Now let's move on to on create activity. Now on create activity we have to put this, the mode block. Okay, create channel like this. Okay. Now let's go to button 1 on click. Here we have to use C. We have to give this is the name of the custom view layout we have created. C view. I have created C view, so I have given C view. If you want to, if you have created custom, then custom. If you have cust, then cust. Whatever you want. Now here you have to use intent. Okay. Now you can use intent also here, or you can use other functions like playing media player and all. You can means here you can put your own view, your own codes. Okay. I have put here intent because I will be putting, like, I will when view. When one is clicked, it will be opening the second screen. When two is clicked, it will be opening the third screen, like that. Okay, so I have created given here intent. Okay, done. Intent, this is the activity name, this is the main activity, and from this will be going to this. Okay, and from main activity will be going to second two activity. Sorry, here you have to put this one also. Now pending intent you have to put, that main activity is intent is pending. Then intent 1, next intent, main activity to third activity, three activity, sorry. Listen, this one is this and this one is class. Okay, then intent 1 flag, activity flag. Similarly pending intent, similarly you have to do the from main to fourth activity, again from main to main id 1. Here you have to give the main activity name. Okay, image, this is the image. I will be showing you the image also, no worries. Okay, this one is the clip. Now let's go to image. See, I have added an image. This means in notification it will be coming like this, image will be coming as the notification. So now let's move back. So now let's run this project. It's all done. So now let's run this project. Nothing is there here. No such components and nothing is there. Similar here also, nothing is there. Okay, so let's run this project and see if it's running good or not. So the app is now installed. Now let's open the app. When we open the app, we see like this. Okay, this is just because of the app settled up color. When clicked on one, you see a notification has appeared like this. See, I'm moving it right now. One, see, notification appeared like this. Okay, now let's get here. Okay, I'm going to here. See, screen 2 has opened. One we have set to screen 2. Now moving back, going opening, clicking on 2. See, screen 3 has opened. Sorry. Now clicking on screen 3. See, screen 4 has opened. So I hope you have learned this, how to use notification listener on click listeners. So if you have liked this video, please do hit the like button. Also subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you very much, Aditya Kapal, for this beautiful project. Okay, thank you very much for liking this. Please do like the like button and subscribe my channel. I need your subscribers very much, and this also motivates me. Thank you.